get fire-rated doors wrong, the consequences go beyond a delayed install. Incorrect fire ratings, improper materials, or missed code requirements can lead to failed inspections, expensive rework, and serious safety risks. In commercial environments, fire-rated doors are a critical life safety component, and there's no room for error. That's why professionals all across healthcare, education, multifamily, hospitality, and industrial construction trust CDF. We offer a complete range of fire-rated door solutions, including fire-rated doors for design-forward interiors, heavy-duty fire-rated steel doors for high-impact and secure applications, and fully coordinated door systems to meet commercial code requirements. Every option is engineered for strength, tested for performance, and designed to meet fire ratings from 20 minutes all the way up to 3 hours, depending on the application.
Our fire-rated wood doors prove that safety and design do not have to be a trade-off. With 20, 45, 60, and 90-minute fire ratings, these doors are built to meet strict fire and smoke requirements while holding up the demands of a high-traffic commercial environments. Choose from a wide range of pre-finished, eco-friendly stain options designed to deliver a consistent, professional look while reducing on-site finishing times. Combined with durable fire-rated core constructs, these doors are engineered to align with both your design intent and local fire code requirements.
When maximum durability and protection are required, our 18-gauge steel fire-rated doors deliver uncompromising performance. Designed to protect people and property, these doors are available with fire ratings from 20 minutes to 3 hours and are built to withstand abuse, impact, and heavy daily use in demanding commercial environments. Multiple core options allow you to balance fire resistance, sound control, and thermal performance, while optional weatherization kits support energy efficiency in exterior and conditioned applications.
Every fire-rated door that we sell meets or exceeds ANSI standards and is available in sizes, ratings, and configurations that your project requires. But what truly sets CDF apart is how we support you, from specifications through delivery with accuracy and accountability, and a commitment of getting it right the first time.
CDF delivers fire-rated wood doors ready to install. Fully prepped for your hardware with light kits or louvers factory installed, so everything integrates seamlessly into a fully coordinated opening. What sets us apart is how easy we make it to get it right the first time. With our ProBuilder instant online quoting tool, fire-rated doors are configured accurately from the start, ensuring the correct ratings, sizes, preps, and compatibility across all doors, frames, and hardware. ProBuilder helps eliminate common ordering mistakes, reduce the back and forth, and give you confidence that you will order what you need to pass inspection and install smoothly.
The result of a fire-rated wood door that enhances space visually, passes inspection the first time, and delivers long-term performance in demanding commercial settings without adding complexity and putting your schedule at risk.
Whether you're outfitting stairwells, corridors, mechanical rooms, or exterior openings, these fire-rated steel doors are engineered to meet commercial and life safety standards. The result is a heavy-duty fire-rated door solution that delivers long-term reliability, code compliance, and peace of mind, where strength, safety, and performance matter most.
When timing matters, we're ready, with over 4,500 doors ready to ship as early as the next business day. Fast Track production allows you to select doors that can be built and fabricated in as little as one business day. We can also schedule production and delivery months in advance to meet your project schedule. So you can place your order today and align delivery exactly with your project timeline. Behind every order is a team of experts who believe in being accurate, responsive, and dependable. Quote faster, build with certainty, stay on schedule with confidence. With ProBuilder, Fast Track production, and a team committed to doing it right, CDF helps to move the project forward on time and on spec.